What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a 2010 Mustang GT. It's that 4.6 liter. This one's actually quite modified as well. It looks very nice in this beautiful red and those silver SVT style wheels. The S197 Mustang is the absolute pinnacle of Mustangs in my opinion. I know as a kid I would sit there building them on the Ford website all the time, and now to see one here that's nicely modified, some nice wheels and tires, and now an even better exhaust system is very exciting. So let's go take a look at the exhaust. We have our 2.5-inch Universal mufflers paired to the rear of this vehicle. That's split into some quad tips as well, which looks very nice. Coming back, we have 2.5-inch piping all the way throughout. We have an X pipe in the midsection, and then we also have some secondary cats right here paired to some other companies' long tube headers. This car is gonna sound incredible, and what better place to show you than an Airstrip. We'll see you there. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we're inside the S197 Mustang. We're here on the Airstrip. Gonna give you guys a little bit of a sound profile of how well these universal mufflers work out back and how well they can work for your car too. So you guys can hear behind me right now, it is idling super loud with that cam, but with one click of a button, it gets nice and quiet, and you can daily drive this car across the country. But for now, we'll open them up, we'll take off, and then we'll close the valves again to show you how quiet it is. And that, everybody, is the ultimate S197 Mustang experience. As you guys heard as it was running up and down the airstrip, the long tube headers with the X-pipe paired to the Valvetronic Universal Valved Mufflers, you get an incredible sound experience. You could daily drive this car across the country if you really wanted to with the valves closed, or open it up when you're on a track like this and really enjoy it. If you're interested in getting one of these universal mufflers for your Mustang or any of your other domestic vehicle, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. We have a live chat, we have a phone number. We're all enthusiasts here at Valvetronic, and we'd be happy to help you. That being said, stay tuned for our next domestic vehicle sound improvement. We got a lot more coming. Take care.